We are going to start a new chapter today, and before starting the chapter, there are some activities that some pictures are given. You have to identify who is, tell the name of the person who is in the picture. So, who is in the first picture? Who will say? Who is this man? Do you know?
Yes, sir.
Who is he?
Narayan Karthikeyan.
Yes. He's Narayan Karthikeyan. He is a Formula One racer. Okay. And who is in the second picture? Who is in the second
Sir,
picture?
Sir,
Yes, PT Usha. She is a athlete, runner. And who is in the third picture?
Gavaskar.
Yes.
Sunil Gavaskar.
Yes, Sunil Gavaskar. And who is in the fourth picture?
Sir, Vishnu Nath Anand.
Viswanathan Anand. He's a chess player. He's a chess player. Okay. And Sunil Gavaskar is a cricketer. So now moving to the lesson which we are supposed to read. So see, how different would your life have been if you were born in a different, just wait a minute. If you were born in a different family, say in a different state or a different country, read to find out what happened when Sunil Gavaskar got mixed up at birth. Now see, this is a story of Sunil Gavaskar written by Sunil Gavaskar, and this story has been taken from his book Sunny Days. So we will start this chapter. So who will read? Shivam, you read? Shivam?
Yes, sir.
Okay, read. Shivam, read.
Some bad birds may never have.
Your voice is not clear.
Sir.
Okay, read. Okay, but now mute yourself. Vaniska will read. And Vaniska, on your mic and read. Mix up at birth.
Mixed up at birth, I may never have become a cricketer, and this book would not have been written if my uncle, Mr. Narayan Masubekar, had not come into my life the day I was born, July 10, 1949. It seems that Nan Kaka, as I call him, who had come to see me in the hospital on my first day in this world, noticed a little hole near the top.
Okay, stop now. Vaniska, mute yourself. Very good. So it is written that I may never have become a cricketer. It is a story about a story of Sunil Gavaskar, and he write in his book, that is Sunny Days, and this story has been taken from that very book. So he writes that I he writes that I may never have become a cricketer. मैं cricketer नहीं बनता, and this book would not have been written, और ये book भी नहीं लिखा जाता if my uncle, अगर मेरे uncle Mr. Narayan Mashuvekar had not come into my life the day I was born. So वो कहते हैं सुनील गावस्कर कि ये मैं क्रिकेटर भी नहीं बनता और मैं ये बुक भी नहीं लिख पाता अगर जिस दिन मैं जन्म लिया था उस दिन मेरे अंकल नारायण वासुविकर नहीं आए होते. And I was born, and when he was born, it is written that he was born on 10 July 1949. Okay, so Sunil Gavaskar was born on 10 July 1949. It seems that Nan Kaka. So he used to call Narayan Vaswekar Nan Kaka. So it seems that Nan Kaka, as I call him, who had come to see me in the hospital on my first day in this world, तो वो जो थे उनके नान काका जो नारायण वासुविकर जो थे वो उन्हें देखने गए थे फर्स्ट डे व्हेन ही वाज बोर्न, व्हेन सुनील गावस्कर वाज बोर्न. जस्ट वेट अ मिनट. Admit. Okay. So had not so we will move to the next page. On my first day in this world, notice a little hole near the top. Of my left earlobe. The next day, he came again and picked up the baby lying in the crib next to the mother. So next day, he again visited, and he found that there was a hole on his ear. And the next day, he came again and picked up the baby. बेबी को उठाते हैं, यानी सुनील गावस्कर जब बेबी थे तो उन्हें उठाते हैं and lying in the crib next to my mother. उसके next मतलब mother के पास में ही सोए हुए थे सुनील गावस्कर और तब उसे उठाते हैं. To his utter horror, he discovered that the baby did not have the hole on his left earlobe. So he find that there is no hole on his left earlobe. So उनके कान के पास जो एक छेद होता है ना, वो छेद नहीं था. A frantic search was made and I was located sleeping peacefully beside a fisher woman. So who will read now? Piyush, you can read. Piyush?
Yes, sir.
Okay. To his utter horror.
Sir, start से पढ़ें.
No, from here to his utter horror. Here. You can read from the screen also.
Yes, sir. He discovered that the baby did not have the hole on this left ear lobe. A frantic search was made and I was located sleeping peacefully beside a fisher woman, totally ignorant of the commotion I had caused. The mix-up, it appears, followed after the babies had been given their
Okay.
birth.
Stop. So he find that there is no there is no hole on his left lobe, earlobe. मतलब कि earlobe मतलब left मतलब this side. Okay. So on his left earlobe, lobe मतलब part, body part, there was no hole. A frantic search was made and I was located sleeping peacefully beside a fisher woman. और एक fisher woman के पास उन्हें ले जाया जाता है, totally ignorant of the commotion I had caused. The mix-up, it appears, followed after the babies had been given their bath. I was grateful to my uncle for noticing the hole, for I have often wondered what would happen if just a bit. Okay, read from here. From here, some other student read. Read someone.
सर हम
Just read.
सर शुरू से
Yes. Not from beginning, but from here. Perhaps I. Here,
सर
here.
शुरू से
No, from here, perhaps.
सर आई हैड से
See on the screen and see the cursor. Perhaps I would.
आई
Okay, Trisa, you read. Trisa, you read. अपना माइक ऑन करो और पढ़ना स्टार्ट करो.
सर
Perhaps.
कहाँ से?
Perhaps.
सर कहाँ से?
See on the screen and the cursor. See this. Perhaps. See here.
सर आवाज नहीं आ रहा है.
यहाँ पे देखो परहैप्स लिखा हुआ ना, मैंने अंडरलाइन किया है स्क्रीन पे.
यस सर
रीड फ्रॉम हियर.
यस सर करते हैं. I would have grown up to be a fisherman working somewhere
रीड
along
प्रॉपरली.
the west,
रीड प्रॉपरली, अच्छे से पढ़ो.
coast, and that about the baby who for a spell took my place. I do not know if he is interested in cricket or whether he will ever read this book. I can
स्टॉप. रुक के तुम पढ़ती हो, रीडिंग किया करो घर पे. So it is written that I am grateful to my uncle for noticing the hole, for I have often wondered what would have happened if nature. Someone wants to join. Okay, let me admit. Perhaps I would have grown up to be a fisherman. तो मैं एक fisherman अगर बन जाता, working somewhere along the west coast. And what about the baby who for a spell took my place? और मेरे जगह कोई दूसरा बेबी जगह ले लेता. I do not know if he is interested in cricket or whether he will ever read this book. Okay, interested in cricket or whether he will ever read this book. I can only hope that if he does, he will start taking a little more interest in Sunil Gavaskar. तो क्या हुआ कि बेबी मिक्स हो गया था, तो क्या होता है कि वो उसके बारे में लिखते हैं कि I can only hope that if he does, he will start taking a little more interest in Sunil Gavaskar. तो अगर वो अभी होगा तो अभी वो सुनील गावस्कर में इंटरेस्ट लेने लगा होगा. देखो ये जो स्टोरी था वो छोटा स्टोरी है. दिस इज टू स्मॉल. एक्सट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम सनी डेज बाय सुनील गावस्कर. So there are some questions you have to answer. On the basis of your reading, complete the following table with information about Sunil Gavaskar. Please mute yourself. Mute yourself. Whose mic is on? So what is the full name of Gavaskar? Gavaskar's full name?
सुनील गावस्कर
Sunil Gavaskar.
सुनील गावस्कर
So
सुनील गावस्कर
Sunil Gavaskar.
Sunil Gavaskar.
Mr. Sunil Gavaskar.
Mute yourself. Mute yourself. On the book right here, Sunil Gavaskar. Right, Sunil Gavaskar. Now, who will tell the answer of second question? What is the profession of Sunil Gavaskar?
Cricket.
So, right cricketer here. Right cricketer. With pencil, you can write on your book, right profession of Sunil Gavaskar, that is cricketer.
July 1949. 19.
So, you know, full,
July
wait,
1949.
wait. Full name of Sunil Gavaskar was Sunil Manohar Gavaskar. Just wait, I am writing text. Okay. You can write Sunil Sunil Manohar. Mute yourself.
सर गवास्कर से अंकल से नेम उसका क्या होगा आंसर?
Gavaskar.
सर नारायण गवास्कर.
Right here. Sunil Manohar Gavaskar was his full name. You can see the answer on the screen. दिख रहा है क्या लिखे हैं? सुनील मनोहर गावस्कर का स्पेलिंग दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now what is his profession? Right cricketer. Right cricketer. And when he was born?
10 July 1947.
So you सब लोग अपने बुक में लिखो.
Yes, sir.
1949. Okay. दिख रहा है? आंसर लिख रहे हैं तो?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what was his uncle's name?
Mr. Narayan Masuvekar. Mr. Narayan Masuvekar.
Yes. Now see, it is also written in the in a story. See here in the previous.
Sir,
I'm showing you his name. See here, Mr. Narayan Vasuvekar. Mr. Narayan Vasuvekar. दिख रहा है ना सबको? See here, अंडरलाइन किया मैंने. दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So write on your book.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And remember these things.
Yes.
Okay. So all of you have written?
Okay, sir.
All of you have written?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I am done, sir.
Okay. Now see, true false. Write T for true and F for false. Sunil Gavaskar would probably.
Sir, true.
I have done, sir.
Sunil Gavaskar would probably
true.
have been. Just wait. Let me read. Sunil Gavaskar would probably have been a fisherman if Nankaka, mute yourself everyone, has not visited the hospital. So here, this is true. So write T. In your write
Sir,
T.
true.
Write T,
True.
T on your book. Write T here. Sunil has a hole in his right earlobe. Sunil has
Sir, false.
Okay, write it.
Sir, false.
Write it.
Sir, false.
Okay, write it.
Sir, false.
Yes, write it and mute yourself. जिससे पूछूंगा वही बताएगा, ठीक ना? The babies got exchanged while they were being given a bath. Yes, अब है? अब है?
Sir, false.
क्या होगा?
False.
Anyone else?
Sir, true.
Okay.
Sir, true.
Sir, true.
Okay, we will discuss this
Yes,
in
sir,
class
true.
also. Okay. Now Sunil was located sleeping beside his mother. Is it right?
Sir, false.
Yes.
Sir, false.
So beside
Sir,
whom?
false.
Beside whom he was sleeping?
Sir, false.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, false. Sir, false.
Okay. So for today, your homework is. So mute yourself. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Whose mic is on? Okay, now see, your homework is, I have sent question answer of first chapter, that is a true friend. So you have to क्या करना है तुम्हें?
Question. Do in copy.
या कॉपी में लिखना है उसे, तो लिख लोगे? लिख लोगे सब लोग? तो आज का क्लास यहीं पे खत्म करते हैं। सेव है? आवाज आ रही है मेरी?